Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at multiplication lesson 6. All right, so I'm going to show you another strategy for multiplying multi-digit numbers. So today we have 34 times 9. So our step one is to take 34 and we're going to break it into its values. So it says 30 and 4. So we're going to say 30 because the 3 is in the tens place, so it's worth 30 plus 4. So remember, we're just taking it in the expanded form. All right, now step 2 is to place the correct spots in each of the area boxes. So what that means is I'm going to take 30 down here, and I'm going to say 30 times 9, okay? And then I'm going to say here 4 times 9, okay? Now, all I have to do is then multiply. So 30 times 4, well, 9 times 3, because here's where, remember when we said those patterns, we can take our basic math facts? Well, 9 times 3, I know that that's 27, product of 27, add the 0, okay? 4 times 9 is 36, and then all I have to do is add these two up. I'm going to line them up because that's easier for me. I'm going to say 6. This gives me 10, regroup. So my answer is 306. Okay, let's try another one. Looking at this one, let's break it into expanded forms. So 30 plus 7. All right, let's label our box. So we're going to say 30 times 8. So I took the value of the 3, which is in the tens, so 30, times the bottom number. Then I'm going to say 7 times 8 also, and then all I have to do is multiply and then add. Okay, so 8 times 3 is, oops, let me get my pen back. I forgot. 24. It's got 1 0, it's going to add it to the end to make that 240. Plus 7 times 8 is 56. So let's do this. 240 plus 56. And my answer will be 296. Great job. Okay, I have 2 here for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video, try both of these, and then come back and see if you got them correct. All right, you should have taken the 5 and divided it into 50 plus 2. So labeling the boxes, this should have been 50 times 4. And this next one should have been 2 times 4. Okay, now let's solve this. 5 times 4 is 20. Now, here's where it gets tricky. You're going to look and say, well, it already has a 0. No, I got the 0 from 5 times 4. I still had to add this 0, so it'd be 200. Okay, plus 2 times 4 is 8, and this is easy, right? 200 plus 8 is 208. Good job. For 73 times 7, you should have said 70 plus 3, and you should have labeled your box to look like this. 70 times 7 and 3 times 7. Okay, so again, 7 times 7 is 49. Bring the 0 with it. Plus 7 times 3 is 21. If I add 490 and 21, I get 511. All right, you are done with multiplication lesson 6. Go ahead and head back to class craft, and I'll see you back here for lesson 7.